What's going on everybody, my name is Rico, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my channel is about vlogs, series and tutorials, and in this episode I'm going to tell you guys why you need one of these. Right, so the reason why I think every photographer should need this is simply because it'll allow you to keep your laptop at home. Lisa and I had a trip to Switzerland. I'll be sure to upload that series later on. And during that trip, this is all I brought. I didn't brought the laptop with me. And what you can use this for is after a day of shooting, even if it's photos or videos, you can offload it onto this one using an app. I'll show you guys in a minute how that works. And it just absolutely works flawless. So that way you don't have to carry a big heavy laptop with you. You can save a lot of space in your bag. You can save a lot of kilos to wear or pounds for you guys while going on a hike or a city trip or something like that. And the great thing about this is it's very light. So let me tell you guys something about its specs. It's got a 2.5 hard drive with a 1 bay. The capacity is variable. It goes from 1 terabyte to 4 terabyte for you guys. The CPU or the SoC is a Realtek RTD 1195 and it's got 2 cores with a processor speed of 1 gigahertz. Its RAM memory is 512 megabytes. It's got a Wi-Fi connection and a USB 3 port. The possibilities for this drive is to use it as an FTP server, a router, a USB server or a Wacom LAN. And its sizes are 24 millimeters in height, it's 127 millimeters in width. It's got 127 millimeters in depth and it only weighs 454 grams. The color is black and the official name is the WD My Passport Wireless Pro. 1 terabyte will set you back 150 euros, 4 terabyte will set you back 225 euros. The prices vary lately, so make sure to keep an eye out on deals, especially for Black Friday or Cyber Monday, because I'm pretty sure there will be deals around for you guys to snitch one of these. And that's what I advise you guys to do, get one of these. It really benefited me on our trip. It was just like, I put it down, put in my SD card, I offloaded the footage, I reviewed it on my phone, checked to see if everything was alright, then I could erase the SD card if I wanted to, put it back in the camera and then go on to a next shoot the next day. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to set everything up and then I'll show you guys how the app works. So you need to make sure that it's turned on, obviously, and then you grab your phone and what you need to do is you need to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple iOS. You have to search for My Cloud. And then you see My Cloud Western Digital Technologies. You have to choose that one and install it. I've already installed it, so I'm going to open it for you guys. And as soon as you open it, it asks you to insert a couple of settings. And once you've done that, this is the menu that you'll see. It's going to search for the external hard drive. And what we need to do right now is we need to find the Wi-Fi signal that it's transferring. So for that, we're going to the Wi-Fi menu. And once you've done that, you'll see My Passport. So make sure you're connected to that one. And once you've done that, you need to click on the left side in the menu and you see My Passport, Mobile Devices, Manage Device, Downloads, Activities, Share with Me, Settings and Help. If we go to the Settings menu, let me show you guys, you've got a couple of options. So one of them is to warn on data plan. Another one is to have the cache set on or off. You can change the cache size. Mine is set to 56 gigabytes. I didn't change it, so I'm pretty sure this is standard. And then you can clear the cache, upgrade the firmware, backup options, password, etc. So let me go back on the phone again. Let me show you guys, if you're on My Passport, this is what you see. You see the storage. So if you click that, you'll see everything inside this disk. And what it's going to do is if you download something or you're going to upload footage, if you put your SD card in, it'll automatically create a new bin and that's where your footage will be stored. So for me in this case it's the SD card imports. So I'm going to click that one and then you see everything. I already renamed it and it's very easy to rename something. All you got to do is you got to press it, long press it, and then go to the 3 dots on the upper right side, hit rename and you can rename the folder. And then if you want to open it, just click it and then it'll take you inside the folder. So SanDisk, they say EM, let's open the 107 Pana. And then we see a couple of videos and then we see the photos. So let me scroll down and let's see if I can show you guys a photo. So I'm going to open up a photo right now. And there you go. Here's a photo of Lisa and the dog, Nacho. It opened up very quickly. So let me show you guys that again. I'm going to do a yes, but I'm not going to rate it. There we go. Just going to scroll down. Let's see how quickly the thumbnails load. It's very, very quickly. Let me open up a RAW to see if that works. There you go. It has opened up a RAW file. Very fast as well. Those are usually a little bit bigger, so that works great as well. Now let's go back, and on the top side you've got all photos, musics and videos. And that's how you can sort everything. I usually use all and then go to the desired folder. If we go back to the 3 points or the 3 dashes on top of the left, I'm going to click that. We've got a couple of more options, and we see this gear icon next to my passport. So I'm going to click it. And if you click it, it's going to take you inside a menu. Let me try that again. There we go. And it's showing you the device capacity. So it's showing you the memory, how much is left for the photos, the videos, or how much is used basically. It also shows you how much battery it has and if it's charging or discharging. So in this case it's 94% and it's discharging. You can change the Wi-Fi, and you have a different SD card import menu, so a dedicated menu. If I click that one, you see that if I hit import, it'll start to import. You can have it set to copy new items only, and it says when enabled, only files that have not been copied or changed will be imported. When disabled, all files will be copied each time. So what I like to do is I like to import my footage, have this option set on, because the next time I put in the SD card, still having the files from my previous shoot, it won't upload or download those files, it'll only download the new files. So that will save me a lot of double files and a lot of space on this disk. So that way I can really bring out the maximum of this disk. Then you've got an automatic import option, which means that if you put in your SD card, it'll automatically start downloading. So I've got that one set to on as well. And then usually what I do is I put in the SD card and then I open up the app, and then I can see how much longer it has to download everything and stuff like that. So right now we see that I'm using 247.5 gigabytes in video memory, 20.8 in music, 56 gigabytes in photos, 2.5 in others, so like documents and stuff. And then there's still 2.7 terabytes free because this is the 4 terabyte version. For the USB import menu, the same applies basically as it did with the SD card menu. So let me go back again, and then that's it. That's basically all you guys need to know about this disc. It works absolutely amazing. Once again, I really advise you, if you're a serious photographer, if you travel a lot, it nearly fell down. If you travel a lot, this is the thing. This is what you need, because it'll save you up a lot of space in your camera bag. You don't need a laptop anymore. All you need is this and your phone. Offload your footage, make sure it's safe, and then go on to the next shoot. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know in the comment section down below. It's something else, but I really wanted to share my opinion on the WD My Passport external hard drive. I really wanted to show you guys what an amazing machine this is. So for this week, there's only one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to the like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit that bell button to be the first to be notified when I drop in a video. And until next time, doei!